Davinci for beginners. So easy. Have you ever wondered how to do these cool animations for your video like Ali Abdaal? Well, today we're gonna learn how to do it. First thing, make sure you have your clip on the timeline. Drag and drop your floating PNGs and scale them appropriately. Place them in the position that you want. This is okay for now. Clear up the media pool so we have working space. Select your clip, right click, open in Fusion page. Make sure the first node is selected, shift and space. You can type camera shake. Add. Now this is too fast, 0.8, and it doesn't look so good, so we need to change it. Let's clear up the way. Select it. And put the X all the way on the left, almost touching the left edge, and we're gonna do the same with Y. Just like that, just touching the edge. So let's test it now. This is way smoother. Now let's do the same thing for the second icon. Just put it on the edge over here, so both of them will overlap. Select it. Open in Fusion page, make sure this is selected. The same thing, apply the camera shake, make it way smoother, like 0.016. Don't go more than 20 because I think it will jiggle a lot. And X dividend all the way, almost touching the edge. Same thing with Y dividend. And let's try it now. Yeah, I think this is perfect, and you can add as many icons as you want. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next one.